To add another account to your Commonwealth Bank online banking, you can follow these steps. Log into NetBank or the CommBank app. Access your CommBank account through NetBank on your computer or the CommBank app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you're logged in using your existing account credentials. Navigate to Account Management. Once logged in, locate the section for managing your accounts. In the app, this may be under the Accounts or Profile section. In NetBank, it may be labeled as Account Information or similar. Select Add Account. Look for an option to add another account. This may be labeled as Add Account or Open New Account. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to add. CommBank offers various account types, including savings accounts, checking accounts, credit cards, and more. Provide details. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details for the new account, such as account type, account holder information, and initial deposit amount. Confirm and submit. Review the information provided for accuracy. Confirm the addition of the new account and submit the request. Receive confirmation. After submitting the request, you should receive confirmation that the new account has been successfully added to your CommBank online banking.